Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Show Associates at Loan Cabin. I'm going to talk to you about funds to close. So a lot of you people out there think that, when I ask for 2 months bank statements that, I'd say you need 10,000 to close, and you send me 2 months bank statements that there's only 2 grand in there, and you're like, oh, no, I got $8,000 in my mattress. I'm just going to throw it in there for the closing. You can't do that. So, and then you're going to say, oh, I'm going to get a gift, and then the money just goes right in there from the person that's giving you the money. It's not that easy. Or let's say you're going to take money out of your 401k and just put it in your bank account. All these things are more complicated than that. You cannot put cash into your bank account and use it ever, unless you can show a bill of sale for a car and the transfer of the deed and the exact amount that he gave you in cash. That's a rare occasion, but cash is a bad word in the mortgage business. So don't think that you can put cash in your bank account anytime. In fact, over the last 2 months of bank statements, hopefully you don't have any cash deposits, they will take those out. So if you think you have $5,000 in there and you have $2,000 cash deposits, you now have $3,000. So when you're planning to buy a mortgage, make it sure it's only money that you've earned from a paycheck, an IRS refund, or you can get a gift, which I'm going to explain shortly. So what the gift process is this. You need to get a copy of the bank statement for FHA from the donor showing that they had the money. You're going to need to have them write you a check, make a copy of that check. Then you have to deposit in your bank, make a copy of the deposit slip, and then you're going to need to get an updated activity statement in your account showing the money cleared in there. And they're going to trail all the way through, so there's no tricking anybody, and they're looking for cash deposits in your donor's account. So you can't give your donor cash and then they write you a gift. So they're going to say that the donor has the money to gift it. You get the check, you're going to deposit it, and now it's in your bank account. And they're going to ask for all this stuff, so there's no gaps in between anywhere. So if you give me 2 months bank statements, the activity has to go from that last statement ending date to when the funds cleared in your account. And so we need to plan from the start how the money is going to get into your account and how we're going to paper trail it. Same thing with the 401k. If you're going to borrow money from your 401k, we need a copy of your 401k statement showing you have it, copy of your 401k showing it leaving your 401k, the terms of withdrawal from your 401k, a copy of the check or wire into your bank account, and then the money clearing in your bank account. So, and they're going to want every step of the way. So they're always going to watch the money going around and where it's coming from, and if you think that you have a savings account with some other bank, that you're just going to transfer it over from there into your account that you're using for the down payment, well, now they're going to want 2 months bank statements on that account showing that that money was clear. So they're looking for money that's clean, that you've earned, no cash, no friend of yours giving it to you. And the gifter can gift it to you. It has to be a family member. It can't be a friend. So a lot of people think that they can just do things and they don't trust what we're trying to say. Underwriters are very tough about money. They follow it all to the penny, and they want to know where it's coming from. So keep that in mind. Don't think that your loan officer is being annoying, because we feel annoying when we're asking for all this stuff, but that's the way it works. Another thing, sometimes you tell me you have $5,000 in your bank account and I'll get a denial on the computer. Sometimes if I add a gift of $5,000, I make it approve eligible, so we'll ask you to get a gift for $5,000. You don't need to spend that money, but just have your family member give you a gift, and it'll help you get approved eligible. So there's a lot of things about getting gifts, helping you get approved, and how you can get money in there. You don't have to have it in there now. You can actually save the money over the next 30 days during the process for your paychecks. As long as we have it within a week and a half before closing, we can verify it, give it to the underwriter, and get the clear to close and time to close within a week and a half. So you can't wait till the last day. About a week and a half before closing, we need to have the money in your account. And that's the complications of assets in this business. I hope you like this video and share it. If you got any questions, please ask below and we'll get back to you. Thank you.